Like this is not good to be smelling. Look, that that will make you sick. Yeah, I can't even breathe it. It's so bad. That's not good. But today we're just gonna show you how to locate and change your cabin filter on a T680 new gen. So let's go, guys. So first we're just gonna be opening up our hood like this. Yeah, and this is the new gen, so it's a little bit different from the old body. Let's go. And I might need two hands. Let me see if I can use one hand to lift this thing up. See how strong I am. Wow, one hand, eh? Like nothing. You just want to take your time and put it down when you're making it come down. Then I'm going to be showing you. First, let me go grab my filter. And you know we have the big boy inside, the ISX 15s. This is a 510 horsepower. So pretty sure it's a 510. Is it? I'm not sure. I think it's 510 or 505 horsepower. So you know, we just parks over the mountains, cause this is a mountain track, and we give them bare voltage wherever we go. See, wherever we go, it's all about voltage, nothing less, nothing more. Voltage everywhere. So let's go, guys, and see if we can locate the filter, which I already change quite frequently. So I'm just gonna go in front of my camera now so I can show you guys where it's located. So here's this little box right here. So you have water will come from top and it comes out in this bottom here. So I like to clean this out too. Sometimes bugs and stuff tend to build up inside. So I like to make sure that it's clean. And I have I have sinus, so whenever I inhale too much dust or anything like that, it bugs me. So here's where all our fresh air comes in and comes into the truck from. So this is where the cabin filter located. So we're just gonna slide it back like this. It's pretty easy. And then you will see the old one. You see, it's all dirty. This is not good to be breathing. Look, this is no good. And even if you have a car, you should try to change the stuff like at least twice a year. Just before winter and after winter, that's when I change mine. Because before winter, you will take up all the dust from the road and store up in here. So in the winter time, it's just gonna cake up and become mold. And in the winter time, you're gonna go some places that still have dust, and then you come back into the cold air, so it's gonna become wet and mold. So what's happening now, you can see it's starting to cake up. This is because like the dirt from in the winter, so everything caking up now. So now that it's getting hot, it's just garbage. See, it's all a mess that I'm inhaling. No good. So you don't need to do this, but doesn't matter which side you put it. It doesn't matter. I don't see a direction. Oh, flow. So it have a sign that said flow. So I guess you want to keep this down. And see, flow. Air flow. So this is down and this part is up. And you just go simply like this. And that's it. Now you will have fresh air inside your truck. You can breathe clearly. Especially if you like to run your AC, you want to make sure this is clean. And we just go like this. And there's some jobs. You want to just make sure that it's all lined up properly. So you can just slide it easily. See, the click, so you know it's in safe, it won't move out that easily. And that's it. And just remember, when you see this truck, it's a big boy. It's not a toy. This is voltage, and we call this one the Stallion. This is the voltage Stallion. That's it. That's it. Just remember, anywhere you see him, just call him the Stallion. He's not afraid of no one. Like, this is not good to be smelling. Look. That will make you sick. Yeah, I can't even breathe it. It's so bad. That's not good.